Hello everyone, I wanted to make this quick video to fix an issue that I found with our game timer. So in the Galaga game and the framework. And the issue was that the game timer wasn't taking into account the update functions. So it was just taking into account the render, but it's ignoring the 3 update functions. To highlight this, let's for example go to our update. And in here add a for loop for int I equals 0, I is less than, let's say, 100 million. And then I++, and let's make a j in here as well, in j equals 0, and increment that j. Now our update should be taking a lot longer than it did before, so let's try to output what the delta time is that it's going to give us. If we over here, I guess after the late update say, or no, maybe inside the update as well. Printf delta time f. Let's put a line break here, and mtimer delta time. The idea is if we don't have this for loop, we should be running a lot faster, so our delta time should be a lot lower. Well, if this loop is running, the delta times should be much higher. So let's see what happens if we run this code. Oh, there we go. Okay, you'll notice that it's 0.009, which is 120 frames per second. That's what we have it set up to. If we remove this code, the for loop, and still output the delta time, you'll notice that this is running much faster, but it's still giving us the same number, which means that it's not taking this for loop into account when it's counting the time that the frame took. To fix this issue, what we're going to do is go into our late update, and then remove our timer reset from here and put it at the beginning of the early update. Also, we need to go to our game timer and remove in the reset, remove the elapsed time, elapsed ticks, and the delta time, and then put them in the constructor right after the reset. So we don't need to reset our delta time in our reset function. We're just resetting the start ticks. Now, if we try to run our game again, so here we have it without, with the for loop that we had set up first. There we go. Now our frame is 0.25 seconds, which makes a lot more sense. Now if we remove the for loop and run it again, now it's 0.009. Now it is taking into account the amount of time that it takes to run the update, the early update, and late update. And that's pretty much it for that fix. I really hope that this helped. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.